Welcome to the chapter Numbers. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain the grouping of numbers, identify the smallest and largest numbers, discuss about the three-digit numbers, find 1, 2, 3-digit numbers, discuss the place value, explain the expanded form of numbers, compare the numbers, explain the order of numbers, write the words in numbers and numbers in words, find the range of numbers. Let us see the introduction of the numbers. We know that the numbers are used for counting purpose. Do you know how these numbers are useful in our daily life to count the different things? Let us try to answer such questions in this chapter. Take up an activity to find the marks of the students. The table represents the students and their marks in an examination. Observe them and type the answers in the boxes provided beside. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. Let us see the groups of numbers. Here, each set contains 10 parachutes. We can count the numbers using the number of sets. The second row contains 2 sets, hence the number of parachutes are 20. In the same manner, the third row contains 30 parachutes since it contains 3 sets. Then follow 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Let us know about the three-digit numbers. Dear students, can you tell what this sum is if we add 1 to the number 99? First, let us write the number 99 in the form of tens and ones as the bundles of sticks and the loose sticks. In the number 99, we have 9 tens and 9 ones. By adding the loose sticks in the ones place, we get 10 loose sticks. We know that 10 ones are equal to 1 10. Here we have 10 tens, which is equal to 100 ones. So the number 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Therefore, we can say that if we add 1 to the biggest number with 2 digits, we get the smallest number with 3 digits. It means the first number with the 3 digits is 100. So, 100 is the smallest number with 3 digits. As we all know, 99 is a 2-digit number and it has 1 place and tens place. In the same way, for the number 100, it has ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Dear students, let us learn the numbers from 100 to 200. As we know, 100 is a 3-digit number. If we add 1 to it, then what is the result? 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. Now, add 1 to the number 101. 101 plus 1 is equal to 102. Add 1 to the number 102. It is equal to 103. Continue the addition of numbers one after the other. You will get the numbers accordingly. 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111 and so on. Here we see an example which has the value in the hundreds, tens and ones place. 100 footballs in hundreds place, 20 footballs in tens place and 5 footballs in ones place. So, the sum makes the value of 125, that is 125. By the prior knowledge of the previous session, let us type the numbers in the blanks provided. Type the appropriate numbers in the boxes provided below. Here, we will know the numbers from 200 to 999. The following table shows the numbers from 200 to 300. The following table shows the numbers from 300 to 400. The following table shows the numbers from 400 to 500. The following table shows the numbers from 500 to 600. The following table shows the numbers from 600 to 700. The following table shows the numbers from 700 to 800. The following table shows the numbers from 800 to 900. The following table shows the numbers from 900 to 999. Dear students, let us learn the numbers in hundreds. In the number 200, we have 2 hundreds or 20 tens or 200 ones. Similarly, in the number 300, we have 3 hundreds or 30 tens or 300 ones. Likewise, in the number 900, we have 9 hundreds or 90 tens or 900 ones. Let us take an activity on finding 1, 2 and 3-digit numbers. Drag and drop the 1, 2 and 3-digit numbers in the given boxes. Here, let us learn how to write the numbers in words form. In the previous classes, we have learned how to expand 2 and 3-digit numbers into ones, tens and hundreds. Here we are going to learn how to write 3-digit numbers in the form of words. Let us know what word form is and how to write numbers in words. Let us take a 3-digit number as shown above. Now let us split them into hundreds, tens and ones. After splitting them, write the numbers in words. 250 can be written in words as 250. Let us discuss the types of expanded forms. In the previous chapters, we have learned some expanded forms on numbers. In this chapter, we are going to learn the types of expanded forms on 3-digit numbers. A 3-digit number can be expanded in 3 forms. One form is by simply expanding them into the form of hundreds and tens as shown above. The second form is by expanding them in the form of hundreds, tens and ones and writing them in words as shown above. The third form is similar to the second one, but difference is we wrote in words in the second form and in this we will write it in the numbers form. Let us see some examples on expanded forms. Revision of place value. Let us revise the concept how to expand a number using place value. For example, look at the number 85. Here, 5 is in ones place and 8 is in tens place, such that by multiplying the digits with their respective place values, we can expand the number. Now look at the number 985, which is a 3-digit. Here we have 9 in hundreds place and just multiply it with 100 and expand 85 as shown in example 1. Take up an activity on finding the place values of a number. Take up some more activity on finding the place values of a number. Give the place value of the underlined digit. Let us perform an activity on writing numbers in words. Select an option from Group A and match it with an option from Group B. Let us perform an activity on numbers in groups. Count the number in the below table and write them in the space provided. Let us do an activity on expanded form of numbers. Drag and drop the Group B options into the blocks provided in Group A. Let us do an activity on appropriate comparison symbol. Let us perform an activity to know ascending and descending order of the numbers given. Drag and drop the given numbers in the ascending and the descending order and click on Submit button to verify answers. Now take up an activity on greater and smaller numbers. Let us do an activity on finding the smallest and greatest numbers. Select the smallest and greatest numbers. Let us do an activity on finding the range of the number. Select the range of the number from the given options. Practice zone. Try to practice the questions on your own. Click Solution to verify your answer. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. In this chapter, we have learned how to group the numbers and calculating the hundreds, tens and ones. We have identified 1, 2, 3-digit, smallest and largest numbers. We have gone through the revision of place value, expanded form of numbers, comparison of numbers and order of numbers. We have also learned finding the range of numbers and writing the words in numbers and vice versa. Follow-up work. Write the possible 3-digit numbers using 1, 8 and 5. Write the possible number with 5 in the ones place between 55 and 205. Write all the possible numbers between 500 and 800 which have 3 in the tens place. Evaluation. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Numbers.